If you're more of a backend developer, you probably don't enjoy front end as much. In this video, I'm going to show you my simple workflow that I use in building very simple and clean, amazing landing pages. And I'm going to show you how I built this entire landing page using Claude AI in just about 15 minutes. So before we proceed, let's first take a look at the whole landing page and see. It's simple, it's clean, and it's also very responsive. Let's take a look. It's also very responsive and has every part that a landing page needs, with good copies. Well, now let's take a look at how Koso helped me build this so fast. I had another landing page. So the first thing I did was to simply copy the content of the page and then ask Kuso to build me a good landing page. And as always, the result wasn't wonderful at first. Um, well, I don't have the initial result. Sorry for that. And I had to specifically tell Kuso to use, Tailwind CSS, since I'm going to be using this in my Django template for my application. It handled the HTML and the CSS and even the you know even the animations pretty well. Let's take a, even this simple animation pretty well, and I just barely had to tweak few things like the images, and then yeah, I added the images, this, and then other little stuff. Of course, this I also need to add other images here and there, and this also works great. Yeah, I'm gonna turn that off because I don't want it to play. So I think this isn't perfect yet, but at least it gets the 80% of the work done, which in my opinion is a huge time saver. Now, why does this even matter? Uh, Simple. It's because front end work is often like a bottleneck, especially for backend developers, or maybe when you're building an application that doesn't require highly complex UIs. You know, you don't want to waste all the time working on the UI, and instead focus on the logic, the APIs, and the database. So now with Cursor, you can spin up something, even including dashboards, landing pages, and even admin panels in just a few minutes. So now this actually got me thinking, what if you could build an entire website, just by talking to AI in real time, leveraging the what is it called, the Open AI or the Google Gemini real-time API. I started working on this. So if you want to see this, I'm going to be making another video. I'm going to drop another video where I showcase how this work, because I think it's better to show it the demo of how it work, and maybe share the all the code. So if you learned something in this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, as that will help this channel to grow. See you in the next one.